Hi everyone, my name is Becca Schrader. I'm a junior studying fire protection engineering here at the University of Maryland, and I'm also minoring in global engineering leadership. From a young age, I've always been very interested in the fire service. I was blessed to grow up with two parents as first responders, my dad eventually becoming a captain paramedic at our local fire department. He works 24-hour shifts, so many nights involved me and my family going over to the fire department to bring meals or say hi to him before I went home to go to bed. I've always loved being at the fire station. The sight of the trucks in the bay, the smell of the bunker gear, and just the overall camaraderie of the fire department always made me feel like I was at home there. I was also always interested in any tactics that my dad used on the job. Perhaps some of my favorite childhood memories being us talking about what he did in different scenarios on different calls. Coupling that with my love of engineering, science, math, and technology, fire protection engineering seemed like the perfect career path for me. My e-portfolio takes you through a journey of how I decided that I was passionate about firefighter safety and fire protection engineering research. You'll see my first artifact is a letter that I wrote in 8th grade, defending firefighters, the people that I call my heroes. And then you also see the progression of my career, where I went to the University of Maryland and was able to have an internship for a summer that focused on firefighter safety. That artifact shows what I did that summer and how I learned that I want to keep pursuing this as a full-time career. My last artifact is a research article, the very first one that I wrote here on campus by myself after conducting some research at the University of Maryland within the Department of Fire Protection Engineering. Through all of these artifacts, some values really stick out that are really near and dear to my heart, including firefighter safety, determination, perseverance, and hard work. I hope you enjoy looking through my portfolio as well as reading my reflective essay to learn a little bit more about me and what makes me passionate about the work that I do.